As a Gogo Duck fan, super happy kami na we can finally dine in sa bagong open na branch here in QC and even got to try some of the newly added items. Let's go! This beef bulgogi roast pasta is one of the newest items and it was really good. Very similar yung flavor ng sauce sa roast tteokbokki, so it's sweet, savory, and rich. Perfectly cooked yung pasta, tender and flavorful yung bulgogi. Kung big group kayo, you can get the Gogo Duck family share set and ito yung mga included. Though masarap naman lahat sa boneless chicken nila, yung cheese butter talaga yung favorite namin. Sobrang sarap nito guys, as in kung ano yung flavor niya na cheese and butter, yun talaga yung malalasahan mo. Bonus talaga lagi yung crispy na skin, ang perfect ng batter, tapos very juicy inside. Medyo sweet na yung snow cheese nila, pero goods pa din naman. Yung chicken talaga yung masarap, kahit plain lang siguro, magugustuhan ko. Sweet and spicy naman if you prefer yung saucy, sticky type na coating. Less crispy lang siya because of the sauce, pero masarap pa din naman. Super love the pickled radish here, perfect palate cleanser. Standard yung fries na kasama, nothing special but pwede na. Yung cheese balls naman, di lang super